High above the clouds floated the weather factory. Suddenly, the giant machine coughed and rattled. Captain Cloud knew something was wrong. The young weather crew rushed to help.
Let us investigate before we change anything.
They studied the blueprints and listened to the machine.
Let us investigate before we change anything. The pressure is far too high. The machine is working too hard. No wonder the air cannot flow, Pip said.
Different problems need different skills. Teamwork will help us solve them.
Yay!
First, they open the safety valve. Extra pressure escaped with a long, gentle whoosh.
Next, Leo cleaned the lightning crystals and tightened every loose connection. Maya tested the cloud chamber. The clouds were too dry. She added exactly the right amount of moisture.
Wow!
Then the crew gathered at the main controls.
Ready? 1, 2, 3!
You did it! The weather is balanced again.
Soft rain clouds formed over the ocean. Tiny drops returned water to Earth.
Gentle rain reached thirsty fields, gardens, and streams. Plants lifted their leaves happily.
Snowflakes danced over the winter forest, protecting the ground beneath a soft white blanket.
From the factory balcony, the crew watched Earth below. Every kind of weather had a purpose and proper place.
Weather is a system. A change in one place can affect another. A change in one place can affect another.
Moving air is wind. Warm air rises and forms clouds. Gravity pulls them toward Earth as rain.
Earth's tilted axis and its changing seasons during the year.
Seasons. Earth's tilted axis and its journey around the sun.
Another remarkable day on Earth.
Whenever people combine knowledge, patience, and teamwork, even a stormy problem can lead to a brighter sky.